Hey there, English learners. Welcome to Learn English by Talking, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, I have to be honest with you.
What's that, Mike?
When I speak English, something weird happens in my head.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Well, I think of a word in my first language, then I translate it to English in my head, and then I speak.
Ah, you're translating mentally. That's so common.
It is, but it feels slow. My brain is working so hard.
Exactly, and that's why today's topic is so important.
What's the topic?
How to train your brain to think directly in English. No translation needed.
Wait, that's possible? I can actually think in English?
Absolutely, and it's easier than you think.
Okay, I'm ready to learn this. This could change everything.
Before we dive in, remember to subscribe to Learn English by Talking.
Yes, hit subscribe, give us a like, and share this with anyone who's tired of translating in their head.
Your support means everything to us. All right, Mike, ready to train that brain?
Let's do it.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the problem. When you want to say something in English, what happens?
Like I said, I think in my native language first.
Right. So if you want to say, I'm hungry, what's the process?
Well, I feel hungry, then I think the word hungry in my language, then I translate it to English, then I say, I'm hungry.
Exactly. That's 3 steps when it should be 1.
3 steps. No wonder it feels slow.
And while you're translating, the conversation moves on, right?
Yes. By the time I've translated my thought, the other person has already said something else.
That's the frustration so many learners feel.
So what's the solution? How do I skip the translation step?
The goal is to think directly in English. When you feel hungry, you immediately think, I'm hungry. No translation.
That sounds amazing. But how?
That's what we're going to teach you today. 3 simple strategies.
3 strategies. I'm ready.
Strategy number 1 is about changing how you think throughout your day.
Throughout my day, not just during study time?
Exactly. This is something you do all day long, even when you're not studying.
Interesting. Tell me more.
All right, Mike, here's strategy number 1. Think in simple English sentences all day long.
Simple sentences? Like what?
Okay, look around right now. What do you see?
I see a microphone, a table, my water bottle.
Good. But don't just list words. Make sentences in your head.
Sentences like, this is a microphone.
Exactly. Not just microphone. Say, this is my microphone, or the microphone is black.
Oh, I see. So I'm constantly making little sentences about what I see.
Yes, throughout your entire day. Let's practice. It's morning, you just woke up.
Okay, I just woke up.
What do you think in English?
I am awake.
Perfect. What else?
I am tired. Or I am hungry. Or I need coffee.
Yes, see how easy that is? Now you're in the bathroom.
I am brushing my teeth.
Great. What else?
The water is cold. Or I see my face in the mirror.
Excellent. You're getting it. Now you're walking to the kitchen.
I am walking to the kitchen. I am hungry. I want breakfast.
Perfect. This is exactly what you should do all day.
So I'm basically narrating my life in English.
Exactly, like you're the narrator of your own movie.
That's actually kind of fun.
It is. And the best part? You're training your brain without even trying hard.
What if I'm on the bus or walking outside?
Same thing. Look around and make sentences.
Like, I see a red car, or a woman is walking, or the sun is shining.
Perfect. You're connecting English directly to what you see and experience.
Not to my native language.
Exactly. You see a tree, you think tree in English, not your language.
This is the big secret? Just thinking simple sentences all day?
That's a huge part of it, yes. It rewires your brain.
Rewires my brain. I like that.
The key is to keep the sentences simple, especially at first.
How simple?
3 to 5 words. I am happy. The coffee is hot. I like this song.
That's manageable. I can do that.
Absolutely. Start today, right now.
Okay, I am sitting. I am talking to Sarah. This is interesting.
Perfect. You're already doing it.
Okay, I love strategy 1. What's strategy 2?
Strategy 2 is all about input.
Input. What does that mean?
Input means English going into your brain through your ears and eyes.
So, listening and watching?
Exactly. You need to fill your brain with English.
But I already study English. Isn't that input?
Yes, but I'm talking about a specific kind of input. Let me explain.
I'm listening.
Your brain learns patterns. When you hear the same sentence structures over and over, your brain starts to recognize them.
Patterns like I am, you are, he is.
Exactly. The rhythm, the flow of English. Your brain absorbs it.
Okay, so what should I listen to?
Things that are simple and things that you enjoy.
Simple and enjoyable. Can you give examples?
Sure. Podcasts for beginners, like this one.
Of course. Learn English by talking is perfect input.
Exactly. What else do you like, Mike?
I like music.
Perfect. Listen to simple English songs. Pop songs are great because they're repetitive.
Repetitive.
Yes, they repeat the same words and phrases over and over.
Oh, like I love you, I need you, I want you.
Exactly. Those phrases get stuck in your head, and that's good.
So my brain is learning without me even trying?
Yes, that's the beauty of it. What else do you like besides music?
I really enjoy cooking.
Perfect. Watch cooking videos in English, simple ones.
Why cooking videos?
Because the person is showing and saying, I cut the tomato, I add salt, I mix it together.
Oh, so I'm connecting the action with the words.
Exactly. You see them cutting, you hear, I cut, your brain makes the connection.
That's brilliant. What if I like sports?
Watch sports highlights with English commentary, short videos, not full games.
He kicks the ball, it's a goal.
Yes, simple, clear language with visual action.
This is so different from sitting with a textbook.
It is, and it's much more fun, which means you'll actually do it.
True. If it's boring, I won't watch it.
Exactly. So find content you genuinely enjoy. Travel videos, cooking shows, sports, comedy sketches.
What about movies? Can I watch movies?
Movies can be tricky for beginners. The language is often fast and complex.
Yeah, I've tried. Everyone talks so fast.
Right, so stick with simpler content at first. Short YouTube videos are great.
Short videos about things I like.
Yes, even 5 to 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
So strategy 2 is fill my brain with English through listening and watching things I enjoy.
Perfect summary. This is your input, feeding your brain.
I like how you said feeding. My brain needs English food.
Exactly. And a well-fed brain learns faster. All right, ready for strategy 3?
I'm ready.
Strategy 3 is output.
Output. So if input is English going in, output is,
English coming out, speaking.
speaking. But Sarah, here's my problem.
What's that?
I don't have anyone to speak English with. I'm alone most of the time.
Perfect. You can speak to the best conversation partner in the world.
Who's that?
Yourself.
Myself? You want me to talk to myself?
Absolutely. It's one of the most effective ways to practice.
But people would think I'm crazy.
Do it in your room, in the shower, in your car, anywhere private.
In the shower.
Yes, the shower is perfect. No one can hear you and you're relaxed.
Okay, but what do I say to myself?
Describe what you see. Describe what you're doing.
Like the simple sentences from strategy 1?
Exactly. But now say them out loud. Your ears need to hear your voice.
Why is that important?
Because when you hear yourself speaking, your brain starts to believe, I can speak English.
That makes sense. Okay, let me try. I am in my room. I see my bed. The bed is big.
Perfect. Keep going.
I have a desk. The desk is brown. I see my computer.
Excellent. How does that feel?
It feels weird, but also kind of good.
That's normal. It feels strange at first, but it works.
What else can I talk about?
Talk about your day. Before you go to sleep, review your day in English.
Like a summary?
Yes. Today I woke up at 7, I had coffee, I went to work, I talked to my friend.
That's like a diary, but spoken.
Exactly. A spoken diary. Super effective.
What if I make mistakes when I'm talking to myself?
That's totally fine. There's no one judging you.
True, I can make all the mistakes I want.
And here's the thing. When you make a mistake, you'll often catch it yourself.
Really?
Yes. You might say, I go to work yesterday, and then think, wait, that's wrong. I went to work yesterday.
Oh, so I'm correcting myself.
Exactly. That's your brain learning.
This is brilliant. So I don't need a teacher or a partner to start speaking?
Not to start, no. Of course, having conversation partners is great later, but you can begin right now alone.
I can practice anytime, anywhere for free.
Exactly. In your car, in the shower, while cooking, while walking.
I am walking, I see trees, the weather is nice.
Perfect. You're doing it right now.
This is actually fun.
That's the key. It should be fun, not stressful. All right, Mike, let's review these 3 strategies together.
Yes, let's make sure I've got it.
Strategy 1,
Think in simple English sentences all day long.
examples.
I am hungry. I want coffee. I see a car. The sun is shining.
Perfect. Strategy 2,
Input. Listen and watch English content I enjoy.
like what?
Simple podcasts, easy songs, cooking videos, sports highlights, travel videos.
Excellent. And strategy 3,
Output. Speak to myself. Describe my room. Describe my day.
beautiful. Now, here's the important question.
What's that?
How much time does this take every day?
That's a good question. Hours?
No, that's the beauty of it. Strategy 1 takes 0 extra time.
0?
You're just thinking differently while doing your normal activities.
Oh, right. I'm already looking at things. I'm just adding English sentences in my head.
Exactly. Strategy 2, maybe 10-15 minutes of listening or watching.
That's it?
Consistency is better than duration. 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
That makes sense. Small steps every day.
Exactly. And strategy 3, talking to yourself, maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
So total, maybe 20 to 30 minutes a day.
And some of that is while you're doing other things anyway.
This is so doable. I can definitely do this.
That's the point. It has to be realistic or you won't stick with it.
But Sarah, here's my question. Will I see results fast?
Ah, the million-dollar question.
Yeah. Will my brain change overnight?
No. And that's important to understand. Language learning is slow.
Oh.
But that's okay. Think of it like exercise. You don't go to the gym once and get muscles.
Right. It takes time and consistency.
Exactly. But if you do these 3 strategies every day for a few weeks, you will notice a difference.
What kind of difference?
You'll start to think in English more naturally. Words will come faster. You'll translate less.
That sounds amazing.
It is. Just be patient and kind to yourself.
Be patient, be kind. Got it.
And remember, mistakes are good. They mean you're trying.
Mistakes are good. I'll remember that.
Mike, before we wrap up, I want to give you one more piece of advice.
What's that?
Make it fun. If it's not enjoyable, you'll stop doing it.
True. How do I make it fun?
Choose topics and content you genuinely like. If you hate cooking, don't watch cooking videos.
Right. Watch sports instead if that's what I love.
Exactly. If you love music, focus on songs. If you love travel, watch travel vlogs.
So I'm learning English through things I already enjoy.
Yes, learning becomes entertainment, not a chore.
I like that mindset.
And one more thing, celebrate small wins.
Small wins?
Yes, maybe today you thought in English for 5 minutes. That's a win.
Oh, so I shouldn't wait until I'm fluent to feel good.
Definitely not. Every small step deserves recognition.
Today I described my room in English for 2 minutes. That's progress.
Exactly. That positive mindset keeps you motivated.
This has been so helpful, Sarah. I feel like I can actually do this.
You absolutely can. Everyone can.
No special talent needed?
No special talent, just consistency and patience.
consistency, and patience. I'll remember that.
And remember, your brain is incredible. It wants to learn. You just have to give it the right conditions.
Simple sentences, good input, speaking practice.
That's it. You've got the formula. Well, Mike, I think we've covered everything.
We really have 3 powerful strategies to train your brain to think in English.
Think in simple sentences, get good input, and speak to yourself.
No translation needed.
Exactly. That's all the time we have for today on Learn English by Talking.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe, like, and share with other English learners.
And here's our challenge for you.
In the comments below, tell us, what will you do to train your brain?
Will you describe your room in English? Listen to English songs? Talk to yourself in the shower?
We want to know. Share your plan in the comments.
We read every single comment and love hearing from you.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep thinking in English.
See you in the next episode.